Your question is, in which of the following acts the provision was made for the establishment of Supreme Court at Calcutta? Your options are A. Regulating Act 1773, B. Pitt's India Act 1784, C. Charter Act 1813, or D. Charter Act 1833. Right answer is A. Regulating Act 1773. Your question is, in the federation established under the Act of 1935, residuary powers were given to the. Your options are A. Federal Legislature, B. Provincial Legislature, C. Governor General, or D. Provincial Governor. Right answer is C. Governor General. Your question is, how many parts, articles, and schedules were there in the original Indian Constitution? Your options are A. 22 parts, 395 articles, and 8 schedules, B. 24 parts, 450 articles, and 12 schedules, C. 22 parts, 390 articles, and 8 schedules, or D. 24 parts, 425 articles, and 12 schedules. Right answer is A. 22 parts, 395 articles, and 8 schedules. Your question is, the Indian Constitution is divided into. Your options are A. 16 parts, B. 22 parts, C. 24 parts, or D. 25 parts. Right answer is B. 22 parts. Your question is, which one of the following is not included in the Union list in the 7th schedule of the Indian Constitution? Your options are A. Banking, B. Insurance, C. Census, or D. Gas. Right answer is D. Gas. Your question is, which of the following is not correctly matched under the Constitution of India? Your options are A. The Panchayats, Part 9, B. The Municipalities, Part 9A, C. The Cooperative Societies, Part 9B, or D. Tribunals, Part 10. Right answer is D. Tribunals, Part 10. Your question is, constitutional government means. Your options are A. A representative government of a nation with federal structure, B. A government whose head enjoys nominal powers, C. A government whose head enjoys real powers, or D. A government limited by the terms of the Constitution. Right answer is D. A government limited by the terms of the Constitution. Your question is, which one is the most prominent element of a state? Your options are A. Flag, B. Capital, C. Sovereignty, or D. Head of state. Right answer is C. Sovereignty. Your question is, if a new state is to be formed, which schedule of the Constitution will need to be amended? Your options are A. 5th, B. 3rd, C. 2nd, or D. 1st. Right answer is D. 1st. Your question is, which of the following is not possible by a law of parliament under Article 3 of the Constitution? Your options are A. Formation of new states, B. Alteration of areas of states, C. Alteration of boundaries of states, or D. Admission of new states. Right answer is D. Admission of new states. Your question is, which one of the following articles of the Constitution deals with the fundamental rights related to the exploitation of children? Your options are A. 17, B. 19, C. 24, or D. 25. Right answer is C. 24. Your question is, which of the following articles of the Indian Constitution guarantees equality of opportunity to all citizens of India in matters relating to public employment? Your options are A. Article 15, B. Article 16.1 and 16.2, C. Article 16.3, or D. Article 16.3, 4 and 5. Right answer is B. Article 16.1 and 16.2. Your question is, which article gives safeguard to the fundamental rights of arrested person? Your options are A. Article 15, B. Article 17, C. Article 21, or D. Article 22. Right answer is D. Article 22. Your question is, an ordinance promulgated by the President must be placed before the Parliament within what time frame after the start of its session? Your options are A. 1 month, B. 6 weeks, C. 8 weeks, or D. 6 months. Right answer is B. 6 weeks. Your question is, in India, the President is elected by. Your options are A. Direct election, B. Single transferable vote system, C. Proportional vote system, or D. Open ballot system. Right answer is B and C. Single transferable vote system and proportional vote system. Your question is, Prime Minister of India is generally. Your options are A. Not a member of Parliament, B. Member of Lok Sabha, C. Member of Rajya Sabha, or D. Member of both the houses. Right answer is B. Member of Lok Sabha. Your question is, how is the Attorney General of India appointed? Your options are A. By the Parliament, B. By the President, C. By the President on the recommendation of the Parliament, D. By the Chief Justice, or E. By the Speaker of Lok Sabha. Right answer is B. By the President. Your question is, which one of the following statements is correct about the Prime Minister of India? Your options are A. He is free to choose his ministers only among those who are members of either house of the parliament. B. He can choose his cabinet colleagues after due counselling by the President of India in this regard. C. He has full discretion in the choice of persons who are to serve as ministers in his cabinet. Or D. He has only limited power in the choice of his cabinet colleagues because of the discretionary powers vested in the President of India. Right answer is C. He has full discretion in the choice of persons who are to serve as ministers in his cabinet. Your question is, under which article of the Indian Constitution is the Comptroller and Auditor General of India appointed? Your options are A. Article 146, B. Article 147, C. Article 148, or D. Article 149. Right answer is C. Article 148. Your question is, consider the following functionaries: 1. Cabinet Secretary, 2. Chief Election Commissioner, 3. Union Cabinet Minister, 4. Chief Justice of India. Their correct sequence in the order of precedence is, your options are A. 3-4-1, B. 4-3-1-2, C. 4-3-2-1, or D. 3-4-1-2. Right answer is C. 4-3-2-1. Chief Justice of India, Union Cabinet Minister, Chief Election Commissioner, and Cabinet Secretary.